Hey guys, I'm Shaz and welcome to the Ministry of Reviews. Today I've got for you another amazing CarPlay device. This one is called Picasou AI Box. This is another adapter with inbuilt Android 9.0 operating system. Now this adapter can be used in any car that has company fitted CarPlay system, but today I will be testing this on my new Land Cruiser. Now let's do the unboxing and check out the contents of this box. It comes in a very nice box, very elegant black box. You've got nice secured packaging. This is the device, very small, very slim. Then you've got the USB cable, USB port C and A, and then you also have an adapter to convert the USB A to USB C. That's it guys. There's not much in the box, but this is the most important thing. And now I'll go to my car and test this on my new Land Cruiser. This device is very easy and simple to use, very easy to set up. It does not require any complicated installation. You just need to plug in the USB cable to the device and the other end to your car, and the system will be operational. This device can be used with both iPhone as well as Android phone. So it can be used for Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. The installation is very easy. You just have to connect the cable to the USB port in your car. Once you do that, you will see that the Android homepage appears on the screen of your car. It usually takes about 20 to 30 seconds. And once the Android homepage appears, you have to switch on the Bluetooth on your mobile. And in that Bluetooth app, you will see Picasou appearing. You have to click on Picasou, then say yes, pair. You just say allow, and then the device would be connected to your mobile. That's it, very simple. Good thing about this device is that because this device has an Android built-in operating system, you can go to the Google Play Store and download any app that you want. It could be a music, video, games, anything that you want. You can install it in the app and enjoy it in your car. The other great feature about this device is that this is fully connected with all the different functions and controls in your car. Meaning, when you connect this device to your car, it automatically connects with the stereo system for the audio. You can control this device by the buttons on the steering wheel, and you can also control it by the voice control system in your car. That's definitely a great feature to have. Another great feature about this device is that this one has an inbuilt GPS antenna, a very strong antenna that allows you to use navigation apps like Google Map, Waze, and many others. Now this device is super fast, and we will test this in my car. This one has 4 GB RAM. It also has 64 GB of inbuilt memory, so you can download lots and lots of apps and videos and music. It also has a slot for SD memory card where you can add up to 128 GB of memory. This also has a slot for a SIM card, so you don't really need to connect the device with your mobile's personal hotspot all the time. You can just insert the SIM card and use the data from the SIM card to enjoy internet on this device. device is so compact that you can stick it on the dashboard using a double-sided tape. Overall, this is an amazing device. This is definitely a must-have for everyone. It has so many great features. I am giving this amazing product a 5-star rating. That's it, guys. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to the channel and click on that notification button. Cheers.